Machine settings are performed after you have made all the necessary connections, including the attachment of the work lead clamp to the work. There are essentially three main settings that we call optimum settings, and these are selection of the welding current type and polarity, adjustment of the welding amperage, and the adjustment of the shielding gas flow rate. With the isolator switch in its off position, set the desired current type using the output selector switch. If you are using DC, then make sure that you select the desired polarity. Remember that if you intend using AC, then you should also switch the HF control switch to continuous. Set the optimum welding current, or amperage, by turning the amperage adjustment control to the desired or specified setting. Adjust the post flow for the shielding gas. As a guide, you should allow 1 second of post flow for every 10 amps of welding current. As in this example, our current has been set for 100 amps, and we would therefore set the post flow to 10 seconds. Finally, switch on the machine and set the gas flow rate to the optimum setting according to the job specification or the tables in your learner's guide. These initial settings are made primarily to get you started. It must always be remembered that small adjustments may need to be made during the welding process, depending on welding conditions. TIG equipment will vary depending on the manufacturer, and for this reason, we strongly suggest that you always become familiar with your equipment by studying the operator's manuals or by asking your instructor to explain the controls. You can learn more about TIG welding equipment and welding processes by viewing other programs in this series.